The episode starts with Malhar Sarkar asking Gotma Rani Sahib not to stop Devi Ahilya. She has told them the problem and gave a solution also. That's why she has to come in their bar today. Gotma Rani Sahib goes to the kitchen. She sends away the helpers. She cooks alone. Bana, Rakma and Yumna come and see her. Bana says Malhar Sarkar asked Devi Ahilya to come in the darbar. Yamuna says, don't feel bad. Malhar Sarkar is on Devi Ahilya's side. She will not listen to anyone. Bana says yes. She can give a good suggestion and then become great. Everyone will forget Khanderao. Devi Ahilya says, I have told you about Raiba. There are many such soldiers. They have no money for their basic needs. You should help them. The Naji says, I explained her about our financial state. Gangoba asked Tukoji to tell Devi Ahilya about it. Devi Ahilya says yes, our financial state is not good enough to bear their expenses. Malhar Sarkar says, I know that. We will talk about it later. He explains them that he wants to help the soldiers, but it will take time. Devi Ahilya asks, why not? I have a solution. If you permit, she goes and gets some silver coins. She says, if this is our royal treasure, we will take 2 coins from it and we will add 2 coins from our side. It means we will have 4 coins every month. If everything wrong happens with anything, then we can give the savings to such needy people. We can also give the savings to them as pension after their service. Gongoba starts clapping for her. Everyone gets up and claps for her. She smiles. Malhar Sarkar says, I thought it's not possible, but I had a hope that you will solve this issue. You always do this. You always suggest a solution to the problem. Your thinking will be proved good for every Rajya. It will give a new direction to everyone. He gets up and comes down to her. He praises Devi Ahilya and blesses her. Then Naji says, but we have to use the money from real treasures also. No one is seeing this loss. Malhar Sarkar says, we can do this much at least. It's not a loss if we are doing this for our people. If we secure the soldiers' lives, then they will do their duty with double dedication. It's our profit, right? Devi Ahilya thinks, I will go to Raiba and tell him that he will get his rights. Devi Ahilya meets Raiba and Anandi. She says, you will get money every month. Sorry for the delay. She says, you have done a big favor on us. Raiba says, I did not understand. We will save the money, but I did not contribute. How did I get all this? Devi Ahilya says, we should have done this much time before. Malhar Sarkar decided that old soldiers will get help from his personal side. Some work will be found for them. Raiba says, I will be able to do work now. Devi Ahilya leaves. The villagers ask Raiba, did he get the charity from Devi Ahilya? Raiba says, no, it's my right. Even the injured soldier who is out of service will be able to do some work. She opened a new door for us. The villagers argue. Gotmar Rani Sahib sits upset. Malhar Sarkar says, I understand you. You would not serve me the food in anger, so I came here. He says, I just want to know why cannot you praise Devi Ahilya?